brand new helmet from Spider, products from Kobe and BS1 Mototowne, and great motorcycle gears. So just eyes on the bikes, Suzuki, ang dami ng Suzuki gamit nila. So iba-ibang model yan. We have the 250 Bistro SX, Bergman 400, GXX 1000, and Bistro 1050 DE. Kulay. Nagmamatch sa suot nila Coach Edsel. Yan, easy lang ang kanilang turn. Slalom, let's go. Ayun, nag-speed up ng konti. Exit. Balik ulit sa circle, I guess. Ayun, another slalom or circle. One of figure 8 sila. Ngayon, nasa circle ulit to figure 8. So right now we have 5 coaches using Suzuki motorcycle brand, different types, different style, riding comfort. Yan. So mamaya tatanungin natin yan anong gamit din ng model from Suzuki. So Bistro 1050D, GXX, Bergman, SX 250. They will do another round of demonstration.